it's a stressful time if ICE shows up to your door. And the most important thing is to always have a plan, right? Because plans give you a sense of calm, they give you a sense of purpose, and you know what steps you need to take to deal with the situations. Number one, always having a plan, right? The first thing that we should always do is, if you have an attorney or you have legal counsel, notify them immediately, and always have a designated manager to deal with ICE agents at once, because you don't want to leave it in the hands of, if maybe you've got a front of staff or a front of house, employee, maybe they're 18 or 19 years old, young, and they're terrified when an ICE agent shows up and starts flashing badges and providing documents. It's a good idea to have somebody that's trained, and that's somebody that's been run through the procedures, so that way they know how to deal with ICE and how to carry out this plan that you've set in place when ICE shows up at your door. So it's important to, again, we talked a little bit about, I-9 audits, internal policies, but training is one of the most important things you can do. And it's often easier to train that one manager than it is you should train your whole team, but having that one designated point of response really gives you kind of a cohesive response, and it gives you one person who can be in charge of the situation and delegate and deal with things as needed.